Hey guys, today I'm doing a 100 dart challenge. I'm not trying to challenge Coop, I'm trying to challenge myself. I like Coop. I subscribed to him. I was watching him earlier today watching his videos because his videos are awesome. Check him out. Anyway, we'll be doing a 100 dart challenge on the Hailfire. Why are there so many darts here and so little mags here? I don't have enough mags. I need more mags. We're doing it on the Hailfire today. Now I'm going to challenge myself by not putting each mag in here. It holds 8 mags and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put in 1 mag at a time and just do it like a strife. This is basically going to be sort of like a strife, but I don't have a strife. Wah. I want a strife. And I'm not going to be using these stupid covers since that makes it too big, so I'm going to remove those. There we go. That's more like it. So let's try this out. And by the way, this is completely stock. Why is it revving without a mag in? It's just the way that it works. So let's insert a mag, wake up iPad. And stopwatch. 7 and 18 round. Right in there. And let's bring this closer. And I'm going to see if I can aim at the metal board and not hit my camera. So I'm not going to be using this thing, so 3, 2, 1. This thing does not have a mag release. Come on. Full of streamlines. Streamlines are so freaking frustrating. Streamlines are so freaking frustrating. Let's save that. I'm already going low. I'm going to finger bang this. There we go, reload. Oh my freaking god. I like firing the long shot better. Freaking elite dart. There we go. Oh my god. So freaking long to reload. We gotta pick up those darts that fell. These are randomized darts, by the way. So. Some of them may be Blaster Hub, some of them may be Adventure Force, some of them may be Elite, Streamlined, Blaze Storm. My friend got these Blaze Storm darts for me, so. Oh my god. This freaking Hailfire. Nope, this dart is This dart's going bad. There we go. Reload! Already at 3 minutes. No, finger bang. Oh, that didn't work the way I was expecting. Probably because the stripes trigger pull is lighter. Come on, reload! Oh my things. Come on, Buzzy. Buzzy darts. Freaking Buzzy. Oh my god. Major jam. Come on. Come on, a few more darts. We can make it. No, hit the camera. 4 minutes, 52 seconds. Hit the camera. But 4 minutes, 52. It's been like 4 seconds since I did that, but I stopped 4 minutes, like 4 seconds before I stopped the timer, but there you go. It's actually 4:52 to be exact, but there are darts and mags everywhere, and there's the shields. There's the hailfire. My hailfire is actually different because a ton of people have like 6 white stripes over here and a silver line across the handle. Mine does not have that. And way too many darts. And then a few other blasters like reflex, jolt, jolt, long shot, yeah, long shot, a Maverick, Magnus, old Revenix 360 shoots the old discs. Ton of darts. I was shooting at the little broken computer towers. That's why I was making all this clang sound, because if you shoot at it, it's metal. But all of that, even some there. Mags. And all that crap. So, thanks for watching. My camera's a little battery now, so thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.